Hey guys, so this is your live look at the OnePlus 10 Pro, and all I can say is OnePlus is going all out. Here this surely is not the best looking device, but it's unique and inside it's a beast hiding with most powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 silicon. So yes, the OnePlus 10 Pro is coming in 3 exciting colors, and here's one in volcanic black, this one is green emerald, and there is white color special edition coming soon. Now this device is made out of ceramic, so anti-glare tough matte finish, and best part is it weighs 200 grams, so yes, again a slim device with solid ceramic finish. Here's the comparison of the OnePlus 10 Pro versus 9 series. So 9 Pro, 9RT, and 10 Pro looks quite wide and got less curved corners, so it looks classy in this black finish. There are some max out specs like 6.7-inch 2K display. DCI says it's a really expensive Samsung panel coming with 2nd gen LTPO high refresh rate. This is gonna save battery and give smooth experience. Now shockingly, OnePlus is using same hole punch design with subtle curve edges. Xiaomi Mix 4 Moto Edge X30 Special Edition comes without any hole or notch and can take some awesome images. So yes, the competition is way ahead right now. The camera specs are similar like last gen device. There's 50 megapixel IMX789 which can take some awesome images, and they have done some changes in color processing. This is the 2nd gen Hasselblad collaboration. There's Samsung Gen1 Super Wide which can shoot 150-degree wide-angle shots, and same old 8 megapixel telephoto lens. So an okayish setup, got all main sensors, and I like how OnePlus is not using fillers in there. The 16 megapixel front facing is now gone, and we have 32 megapixel selfie shooter. OnePlus has also done some software changes. They have added fisheye mode and cinematic movie mode too. This time OnePlus is using 5000 mAh massive battery size, and 10 Pro can go insane 80 watts of fast charging. So I guess in half an hour it will go from 0 to 100%. So my thoughts, nice and unique design. I like the dual curve edges, a large display, and max out specs in there. The IMX789 paired with OnePlus and Hasselblad collaboration is gonna take some nice images. The only downside I found is no periscope lens and a low resolution telephoto camera. Yeah, of course the 8 Gen 1 CPU is powerful, and OnePlus is using heat dissipation silica gel for cooling. Then there's 80 watts of fast charging, so decent specs overall. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and peace out.